Hey guys, I am back today with another video. Today I am going to be showing you how I made this delicious wild berry crunch cake. As always, the full recipe and list of ingredients will be in the description box below. First, we're going to start by making our cake. The base of this cake is going to be a white cake. So you can use whatever type of white cake mix you prefer. Follow the box instructions and bake accordingly. So now that our cake is done, we are going to just punch holes all over to absorb the jello that we are about to use to add extra moisture and fruit flavor. You're going to mix 1/2 of each box of jello and pour that onto the cake, and then place your cake in the freezer for 2 hours to settle. Now we are going to prepare our icing and our cookie crunch and our fruit. As you can see here, I have taken 30 of the golden Oreos. I am smashing them up. Then I have separated them in halves. We are going to take the rest of that blue jello and that red jello, pour it on top, warm up some butter, shake it real good so that it is coated with the jello to give it that red and blue coloring. And then I like to stick it back in the freezer because the butter does melt the cookie stuff on the inside. Off camera, I washed and sliced the fruits, and now we are moving on to the icing. This recipe has a whipped cream cheese icing. So we're going to start by beating our cream cheese, our confectionate sugar, vanilla flavoring, and a pinch of salt. Just whip that until it's nice and smooth. Once your icing is ready, you can just take it out and put it in a separate little container and save it for later. Then you're going to whip on high for 6 to 8 minutes your heavy whipping cream until it becomes firm and stiff. Once it becomes firm and stiff, we're going to fold in our cream cheese icing, which is going to give it that airy, fluffy cream cheese texture. Now all that's left is assembling the cake. Put down your icing on top of the cake. Then on top of that, you are going to put your cookie crumbles and then garnish with the fruit. You guys are going to see me try to be patriotic and make a flag. That shit did not work. So I just crumbled it, mixed the colors together, and this is the final result. Alright, you guys, I am not gonna lie, this cake tastes just as good as it looks. This is perfect for any sort of summer gathering that you are having. You have got the fresh fruit, you have got the fluffy, airy cream cheese, and the cookie crunch on top. Oh my gosh, this cake is amazing. Leave me a comment below. Let me know, did you make this cake and how many slices did you eat? Bye guys.